beauty families, this is Valya. Welcome to my channel, love you always. This is my look that I recommend you for today. It is a very nice look, very soft glam, summery look, easy to do it, wearable for all the skin types, skin personalities, with a pop of color. On my waterline area, I did some red line. So, if you like how I did that look, let's get right immediately in this video to show you how you can create that look. I have prepared my brows as usual with my lovely Brow Ultra Slim by Maybelline in New York in the shade medium brown. As I have told you many times, it is a defining pencil that helps me to define, to precise my brows very nice, very well, very precisely. Then I have cleaned up my eyebrow area under and up with my Ultra liquid concealer in the shade Vanilla. And now I'm ready to prepare my lid. I'm gonna use this fluffy big brush and the same Ultra liquid concealer which is in the shade Vanilla to clean up my lid area. Although you can use, as we have told many times, a lid primer, anything you want, of course. After I have prepared my lid for today, I'll be using my Eyes V8 Drama by 7 Cool Collection Cosmetics Kit. Yes, this is this very nice palette with this color, very nice colors, all are earthy undertone colors. And for today, I'll be using my eyebrow 104 and this shadow in the middle, which is a very nice, medium brown. I'll take that color to do my crease for today. I will do for you a soft glam look with a pop of color. You will see later. Applying back and forward, very nice. The brown color suits to almost all of us, all the skin type, person, and they are colors that you can wear and in all the seasons, back and forward and a little up, some like a lift under my brow bone. Then I will take I will take this, which is an burgundy color, a deep purple, deep burgundy color, with which I'm gonna do, and this fluffy big brush, flat brush, I'm gonna do my outer corner. Of course, applying on the outer corner. It is an easy look. You can do it very easily, and this type of shadow, these colors, you can find it everywhere. They are very easy to find and to wear. I apply on the outer corner and turn it up on the inner corner. Of course, I'm going to continue with my Cosmo Fan number 110, and this is it, this type of brush, very flat. And I'm going to take, this is a very nice light shimmery purple, which I'm gonna apply on my inner lid. Very nice, these colors, I love them very, very much on my inner lid. And I will take with my middle finger this, which is a light shimmery, medium dark brown shimmery color, just to connect the two shadows together. Put it in the middle to connect the light pink shimmery with the outer corner. Very, very easy look, very nice look. That's a cotton pad. I always use cotton pads to clean up my fingers, my face. Now I'm going to take the same shadow, apply it on my under brow area, the same shadow that I put on my lid with my eyebrow 103, just a few coffee with my bold bottle. This is a big fuchsia bottle, all with coffee. And continue with my other eye with the same wear. As you see, very easy to do it. Of course, after my shadows on this look, I will wear my classic black liner by MUA. I define soft tip felt liner. MUA Makeup Academy. I will wear the classic black liner with that look. It goes very perfect. Although you can use and the burgundy liner. But I always, when I want to do something bright, intense, very nice look, I choose the black liner. And it is a tip for you. If you want something lighter, use the brown. And of course, after the eyeliner, continue with my 6D Mink Natural Lashes by Family Department Stores. And these are the lashes I'm gonna wear for today. The classic lashes that I wear the most times, and I love them. They are lashes that they can be wearable for any time of the day. After my lashes, I'm going to wear my Maybelline Face Studio Prime Protecting Primer with SPF 30, and this is my lovely favorite primer of Maybelline, which is very hydrating, and this is it. I warm the product into my middle hand, fingers, and I apply it before I'm gonna apply my makeup. Of course, before I start my makeup, don't forget ever that you can have to do your skincare. You have to apply your toner, your serum, your cream, day and eye cream, and then move on to your makeup. And going to wear the classic L'Oreal Infallible 32 Hours First Wear in the shade Sable Sand 220. And my Cyan Liquid 030 Golden Tan, and this is it. I'm going to wear these two together. L'Oreal is one of my favorite brands. And taking my Wet n Wild Kabuki brush to apply the product on all the face. Continuing with my concealer. For today, I will use my Catrice True Skin High Cover Concealer with Hyaluronic Acid in the shade 032 Neutral Biscuit, and this is it. Very nice concealer. I apply it on the inner corner, on the outer corner, just a mini lift, some dots and between my brows, 2 lines as a mini lift in my mouth, and some product on my chin. Over that, of course, I will apply the lighter, my Usa Yes Vanilla Concealer, a lighter tone, to do some bright on my face. In the same point. And of course, taking my beauty blender to apply all the product as I always do, that I use beauty blenders. Then I'm going to wear my eyebrow loose powder and taking this powder, before the powder, I'm going to wear my MUA Black Liquid Cream Blush in the shade Watermelon. And I will take, because it's a liquid, very nice blush, this big brush, and I'm taking just a little of that to apply some. It is a little intense color, like also the watermelon. Very beautiful, beautiful color. MUA is a very nice brand that has so much this liquid blushes. They are so exotic, so beautiful, Beautiful color. Of course, after that I'm gonna apply my Dancing Cream in the shade Honey Creamy bronzer, and taking that with my flat kabuki brush. Now I'm applying all my bases in cream. On my chin, some of the product, and down on my neck. Very nice this product. And on my nose, some light. And now a few coffee. And now I'm going with my loose powder by eyebrow to set up my under eyes. And this big brush is the best way to apply, to set up your under eyes with a loose powder, because it's more light, more soft for your under eye. Continuing with my infallible L'Oreal 24-hour fresh wear foundation and powder, and this is it. And taking my eyebrow level to set up the whole face. When you apply creamy product, you have to use and powdery product. Telling you always, when you apply only powdery product, it is enough. But the creamy product always need and powdery product over them. Taking and another powder by Ultra Press powder, which is an undertone darker, my eyebrow level, and this I'm gonna apply over the others to give this sun touch. Very nice, very light that powder, I love here. Very, very beautiful powder. Taking, of course, my Wet n Wild contouring palette contour in the shade Caramel Toffee. As you see, this is a bronzer. Creamy, a powdered bronzer. Applied over the creamy bronzer to give this sun touch. Every product I apply on my face, I put it down low to my neck, as you see. Then, blush, Canon blusher, peach color with highlighter. Highlighter, 7 Cool, peach colors, 7 Cool highlighters, and the 3 of them. On my cheekbones, on my nose, on my cupid bow, on my temples. And a sun touch, another Palm Beach Ready Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer. I put some of this, which is a bronzer that it is not matte, it is shimmery. I really love this product over the matte to give this beautiful soft sun touch. Soft, very soft. I have applied my highlighter a little more because I love highlighters. Love this shimmery color on the summer. I love my face to be bright. And this I have told you, the sun touch, the pop of color that I have told you in the beginning. I will take my Pop Fill palette and I will choose with my eyebrow 03 this deep red, which I'm gonna apply on my under eyes. Just a touch of pop of color. We have to wear the up lid shadows on our underlid, but on this look we have do a touch, a pop of color. So I will apply this very nice deep red to give some pop of color. Look what a beautiful color, isn't it? Beautiful color. And highlighted on the inner corner, just to give this bright, we do always. I love this thread. This thread is very nice. And of course, my Curl Bounce mascara by Maybelline. Always mascara. On my upper lashes and on my bottom lashes, my colossal Maybelline. And of course, the last is our lips, taking my chestnut lip pencil by Other Woman. Applying my Kylie matte liquid lipstick in the shade 07. This is a very nice dirty rose, I have to say. This is a dirty rose. This is a lipstick that I use every day when I go out. It is very easy and very wearable. Very easy. And of course, over that, I want some brightness. So I'll take my Cyan Lip Gloss Brilliant Side in the shade Sugar Plum 12. And this is it, a very nice sum between pink and light purple. And the classic Revolution Calming Makeup Fixing Spray. Well, my friends, this is my recommendation for you for today. It is a soft glam look. Very summery, very wearable. You can do it on your own, I have to say. So, if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and ring the notification bell, and stay tuned to see the upcoming videos. Love you, my friends!